Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to disable notifications from someone in X. Notifications can sometimes become overwhelming, and managing them is crucial for a personalized experience on the platform. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of disabling notifications from someone in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Next, locate the account you want to disable notifications from. This can be done by searching for the username or scrolling through your feed. Tap on the account to access their profile. Step 3. Once you're on the account's profile, look for the three dots menu, typically positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dots menu to reveal additional options. Step 4. Among the options that appear, find and tap on the bell icon next to the following button. This will open the notification settings for that account. Step 5. In the notification settings, select Off to disable notifications from the selected account. This action will ensure that you no longer receive notifications for their activities. Step 6. With the notification settings updated, X will stop sending notifications for activities related to the account you disabled notifications from. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled notifications from someone in X, allowing you to regain control over your notification flow. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be more personalized and distraction-free without unwanted notifications.